Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix limited connection problem. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing limited connection problem when you are connecting through the mobile hotspot of someone, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, these settings you have to do from which mobile you are sharing the hotspot. Suppose if you are sharing your hotspot, that is device 1, and you are connecting to the another mobile, that is device 2, so you have to do the settings in device 1. So for doing these settings you have to go to the device 1 settings. Just click on the settings. Here you can see network and internet. You just need to click on this. After clicking network and internet, here you will find hotspot and threatening. You just need to click on this. Here you can see Wi-Fi hotspot. You just need to click on this. You need to scroll down. You can see maximum number of connections. You just need to click on this. Suppose if you have selected maximum numbers of the connection to the 1, you just need to change 4 or 5, whatever you want. So because if you have shared the hotspot to someone, already you are one connected to the another devices like TV or someone else, so you will get problem while connecting to the second device. So the best solution is you just change the setting to the 4 or 5, whatever you want. After doing this, just try to connect. Let's hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Wi-Fi limited connection problem in your Android mobile. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.